Good day everyone, my name is Richmond Jasper Robles from St. Augustine School of Nursing, Las Piñas Branch, Group B. Today I'm going to show you simple ways of lifting the baby and burping the baby after feeding. Before lifting and holding the baby, make sure that you've done proper hand washing using soap and water or alcohol-based hand rub. For this demonstration, we'll be using hand-based alcohol hand rub. Lifting the baby using the cradle hold. By using your right hand, gently hold the baby's head and neck while supporting the baby's back by your left forearm to their bottom. Lifting the baby using the lap hold. Before lifting the baby, please make sure to provide support on their head, neck, on their back, to their bottom using your hands. Sit firmly on a chair or side of the bed with your feet firmly on the floor and place your baby on your lap. The head should be at your knees face up. Baby's feet should be tucked in your waist. Lifting the baby using hip hold. Before lifting the baby, please make sure to provide support on their head, neck, on their back to their bottom, and gently lift the baby. Face your baby outward and make her sit on your hip bones. You should wrap your arms around her waist so that the baby can look around comfortably. Burping the baby using the shoulder hold. Please make sure that you're using a burping cloth to manage the mess. You can put it either on your left or on your right shoulder. Gently lift the baby using your hands. You can either sit upright or stand holding your baby against your chest. The baby's chin should be resting on your shoulder while your left hand is supporting her weight, and gently tap or rub the back to help her burp. Rubbing or tapping to help her burp. Burping the baby face down on your lap. Gently lift the baby. Hold your baby sitting upon your lap or across your knee. Support the baby's chest and head in one hand by cradling your baby's chin in the palm of your hand. You can put a burp cloth to manage the mess and gently tap the back or rub to help her burp. Burping the baby by sitting up. Gently sit the baby supporting the head and neck. You can use a burping cloth to manage the mess. Support the baby's chest and head in one hand by cradling your baby's chin in the palm of your hand. Gently tap the back or rub to help her burp.